Alright, guys, so today we are going to tackle the burning question. I bet it's been bugging you guys. Why does Google Chrome take up so much storage? Alright, so here are a few answers. The reason Chrome takes up so much data on your device is to provide you with a smoother browsing experience. For example, if you use a particular site frequently, cookies can inform the site about the settings or login info you used in your previous sessions. Alright. Chrome taking up a lot of space, how to fix, because it is an issue. All right. So let's see, let's go in depth. So right, why Chrome takes up so much space on your iPhone? Well, that's iPhone. What's about? Oh, that's iPhone. Okay, so forget that one. Let's see, on my Mac, Chrome using too much space on my PC. Try these 5 fixes. All right, so check this out. Got another article. All right, so let's see. Alright, I started reading this article. So, when it comes to internet web browsers, Google Chrome is known to be one of the most preferred amongst users. With its clean, polished user interface, full library of extensions, and fast load times, it tends to take the crown for most people. However, it's no secret that Google Chrome is a resource hog, monopolizing a lot of your computer's memory for its lightning performance. Is your Chrome using too much memory? Find out why and check out our 5 fixes. Alright, so what is RAM used for? To help you understand why your Chrome browser is using too much memory, we want to briefly explain how your browser operates. To offer stability and fast speeds, Chrome handles RAM in a unique way by separating out each tab window into its own process, which has sub-processes that require RAM. Okay, so when you open up one tab on your browser and navigate to a web page like a particular YouTube video, your computer will use a small bit of RAM to complete a series of tasks. So for YouTube, this may include logging you into the website, using onboard graphics to load the web page design elements, playing or pausing the video, loading advertisements, loading extensions that directly interact with YouTube, for example, ad blockers, dark theme, etc. Alright, so I bet many of you guys have seen this when you do your what's it called, task manager, Control Alt Delete, to pull that up. You see, Chrome has just using a lot of memory. It's using the most memory out of all the processes. All right. So here we go. For every process needed to load and run the page, a small amount of RAM will be used to execute each task. When you open up multiple tabs or have multiple extensions running in your browser, the amount of RAM needed increases as more processes need to be executed. Alright, so now because Google Chrome handles RAM by running each tab or window as its own separate process, certain tasks are duplicated. This is convenient because it means that if one tab crashes or an extension fails, your other windows will remain stable within the browser. This prevents you from having to restart the whole browser. Instead, lets you just restart a single tab. This also means that there are added layers of security, as a malicious attack on one tab won't cross over into your other tabs. Unfortunately, this uses up a lot of your system's RAM. This is also the reason why you see multiple Google Chrome entries in your task manager, like this. So you have 17 entries, and when you expand on that, I'm wondering, let me just pull up mine. Right now, I don't think, hold on, I'm going to do Control Alt Delete, Task Manager, pull up Task Manager. There we go, this is my screen. Check out Chrome, man. What the flying toot. Dude, 68 processes, 26.4%, 55% memory, 80% CPU. Dude, that is crazy. Oh, wait. And Task Manager is using 25%. That's kind of weird. Alright, so, yeah. Um, when does Chrome using too much memory become a problem? Google Chrome using too much memory only becomes a problem if it limits the amount available for other programs. If you notice that your other programs run sluggish or your computer freezes and crashes when you have Google Chrome tabs up and running, this is a sign that high memory usage is an issue. 5 fixes for Chrome using too much memory. So here's the meat and potatoes, the heart of the matter. What we want to do is solve this issue. So there are two main solution routes you can use to fix your Chrome using too much memory. The first is to purchase more compatible memory sticks for your computer from your local computer store. Unfortunately for me, I have a solid state laptop, which is a HP EliteBook, and it's a bit. They don't make parts for that anymore. They stopped producing that laptop. The last one was produced in 2017 or something. So that's not an option for me. I just have to upgrade, get a new laptop. I might have to switch to a MacBook. Alright, enough of that. So to do this though, you'll need to make sure that the RAM is compatible with your computer's motherboard, and you'll need to know how to install it. While this is pretty easy to figure out, we're going to outline the second route you can take with 5 fixes that you can directly use in conjunction with your browser. So one, disable unnecessary. Alright, so check this out. So disable unnecessary extensions. Alright, one of the causes of memory spikes with Google Chrome are extensions. Not only can they increase memory draw for the browser because it requires additional resources to run the extensions, but extensions can also have memory leaks. Wow. One way to make sure that extensions aren't hogging up all your memory is to disable them. Here's how to do this. One, start with a clean open of your Google Chrome browser. Click on the three dots in the upper right hand corner, like so. Hover over more tools and choose extensions. More tools, extensions. That's it. Alright, and then you disable these. So I'm going to disable all of these. All. That's a lot, man. That's a lot of extensions. Wow. I like keep. I don't need it, but I like it. Gonna disable this. Gonna disable this. Now I need keywords everywhere. Like this. I need this. Loom. What the fuck? Okay. One tab. Open bookmark. Disable this. Scraper. What? Soapbox. Surfshark. Wow, I do have a lot. I need tag. No, not this. TubeBuddy. No, I like TubeBuddy. Validately. Uber suggest. Uber suggest is cool. TubeSif. What the? What's TubeSif? Okay. Video downloader plus. Wow. Okay, I do have a lot of unnecessary extensions. Alright, cool. So I did this. This will open up a list of extensions your browser has access to. Disable all of them by clicking the disable slider, which I just did. I didn't disable all, I did disable a few. Restart the browser and take note of how much memory Chrome is now using. If it is less by a considerable amount, this could be the root of your problem. Extensions with leaks. You can go a step farther and re-enable your extensions one by one to see if one of them is using up more memory than others or has a memory leak. Only re-enable extensions that are absolutely necessary to keep RAM usage low on the extension side of things. Alright, so let me check my, what's it called? This guy right here. Still has 68 processes. That's a lot of fucking processes, man. But 26.4%. Wow, 3 gigs of memory. 3.8. That's almost 4 gigs. Damn it. So I'll need to restart and see what's up. I'm using Camtasia right now, and it's not even pulling that much memory, or using CPU. The footprint of TechSmith Camtasia compared to Google Chrome is major, man. Alright, so step 2, enable hardware acceleration. If you have a dedicated graphics card installed in your computer, this is separate from Intel's integrated graphics. You can use hardware acceleration to shift the processing load onto your dedicated GPU. So that's done by 1, 2, 3, click here. I think it's settings. You go to settings and there we go. Wait. Is it extensions? Wait, advanced. Wow, system. So use hardware acceleration. So I have this selected. Alright, reset and clean up. Alright, and there's also reset and clean up. Restore settings to the original defaults. Clean up computer. Open up Google Chrome and click the 3 dots in the upper right hand corner. Click on settings in the context menu. Scroll down and click on advanced settings to open up more options. Scroll until you see a section called system. Toggle on use hardware acceleration where Alright guys, and the final tip is to number 3, update your Google Chrome. The reason why there are pauses between my video, the clips, is that yeah, my memory usage is, memory is very scarce on this laptop, but I will upgrade and let you know the process of me upgrading. Alright, so if you have an outdated version of Google Chrome, you could inadvertently be suffering through bugs or glitches that you are not aware of. These can cause stability problems and slow down your browsing experience. Check to make sure Google Chrome is updated to the latest version, and if it isn't, update it as soon as possible. Open Google Chrome and click the three dots right hand corner, hover over help option in the menu and choose about Google Chrome from the new set of options. So here we go, help about Google Chrome. There we go, it's updating, it's checking. Oh, it's updating Chrome. Whoa. Okay. Wasn't ready to see that. It's actually updating. Check this out. Whoa. Oh, here we go. Memory again. Wow. So apparently I need to update my Chrome. So wow. You'll be redirected to a new window and will be told whether you have the latest version or not. If you do not, Chrome should update automatically, which it just did for me. Wait until the update is downloaded and then restart your browser to install it. Interesting. Wow, I just did that. A relaunch is required to apply the changes, so make sure to do this. Number 4, end high memory footprint processes. If you have too many tabs or windows open, these can eat up a lot of your memory. This is especially true if the tab you're using has ballooned in size due to poor configuration bugs or memory leaks. You can see which tabs are taking up too much memory by using your built-in task manager. On Windows, right-click on your start bar, choose task manager from the list. Wait, let's see. Right-click your start bar. Oh, you can actually do that. Wow. I was just using Control Alt Delete, and there's actually Task Manager here. You always learn something new, guys. Yeah. All right. So we're using memory saving extension. Use memory saving extensions. Number 5. So while this solution seems a bit counterintuitive, there are extensions available that can help you free up memory by curbing the memory's usage in the first place. It's very important that when installing extensions, you look at the extensions rating and review first to make sure that it's reputable. So an example of a fantastic extension that can help with Google Chrome's memory organ is called the Great Suspender. I think I have it. I had it, but I think it got corrupted. Alright guys, so I'm back. Restarted the browser and check this out. With extensions disabled, I'm only using 28% CPU and 46% of memory. Still, there's a lot of gigs, like 3.699 megabytes of RAM. That's 3.6 gigs of RAM being used. So I think the issue might be Chrome itself. I need to upgrade my memory, and but I'll try out Brave browsers, see what's up. So that's it for this article. So guys, disable the extension and disable hardware acceleration, or enable if you do have a dedicated graphics card. So that's it for me, because I only have one tab open and two tabs open, and I'm still seeing a lot, and I might need to force close the browser using CCleaner. So yeah. Alright guys, so that's it. If you have any alternative suggestions, any comments, just drop it in the comment section. Alright, bye for now guys. Take care.